Hello, hello, hello. I'm good. How are you? You are watching Aqsa Khowaja, an ACCA affiliate. If you are planning to become an ACCA or if you are an ACCA student, so this video is for you. I'm going to take you through my ACCA journey in a few minutes. I had a clear career path that I wanted to do ACCA because it's a professionally and internationally recognized qualification. First thing that we hear before starting ACCA is that it's very difficult. डाडो मुश्किल है और ये तो बहुत मुश्किल है या वड्डा औखा कम सी ये सब सुनने में आता है ना आपको yes it's difficult but have you heard that phrase that difficult roads often lead to beautiful destinations मतलब मुश्किल रास्ते ही अक्सर खूबसूरत मंजिलों पर लेकर जाते हैं yes I would not say that it's very easy but it's not that difficult that you even don't find the courage to start it you have to take the decision now if you want a boom in your career get good employment opportunities from all over the world and accounting tax finance reporting audit etc everything is your love language so ACCA is what you have to do now two main questions that students usually ask that is money and institute so for money I would state an interesting fact that if you gain admission in a good reputed university and you do a 4-year bachelor's then you know how much it costs you ACCA is more or less the same thing. But it depends on how dedicatedly you do it and how quickly you complete it. Because it's on you that how much time you take to complete it. But I have a clear and better answer for the institute. That is Tabani School of Accountancy, a platinum approved learning partner of ACCA, serving the students, providing quality education since 1998. That is more than 25 years. It is situated in Karachi, Pakistan. But what if you are not in Pakistan, then what?
Well, that's not a problem because I'm in Canada and you can now study from any part of the world on Tabanis Ecademy, live recorded lectures or pre-recorded lectures and take your query consultation sessions with TSA best teachers and get your all problems resolved. Come on, let's get inside. It's very cool.
Best thing about Tabanis Ecademy is that you can study like you are sitting in a physical classroom with your flexibility and get the same level of knowledge just by booking your lectures online with TSA. Isn't it amazing? So now it's time for my journey. So I started my ACCA back in November 2020, right after my secondary school education, and I had no exemption. I gave all the 17 papers and Alhamdulillah, I cleared all my papers in the first attempt. I gave my first exam of ACCA, that is FA1, in January 2021 and I got 100%. And I gave my last two exams, that is SBL Strategic Business Leader and ATX, that is Advanced Taxation, which I chose from the optional ones in the last attempt, that is December 2023. I completed my ACCA in a period of exactly 3 years along with scoring positions and good scores in my higher secondary school and 2 nationwide place winner positions in ACCA itself. Now, this journey has been absolutely remarkable. Some hard work, little bit of sleepless nights, a lot of dedication, and for me, time management, of course. Because since I was doing my high school simultaneously, so it was very difficult for me. All of these factors led me to be sitting here in front of you as one of the youngest ACCA affiliate and the first affiliate of Tabanis Ecademy. Shukr Alhamdulillah. For only the foundation module, I took the physical classes, but since the skills module of ACCA, I have been studying online from the recorded lectures and it's a perfect experience. You get to create your own learning environment. And you know what I used to study ACCA? Just a phone. You won't believe, just a mobile phone. I used to watch the lectures on a mobile phone. I used to download the kits, study text, everything on the mobile phone. I used to connect with the teachers, all the things with the students, everything on a phone. Now, after hearing this, one should have no excuse of not studying. Ending this with, I would like to thank TSA for supporting me throughout this 3-year journey, especially my teachers. First of all, Sir Sheikh Bilal Haq for SBL. I was giving ATX along with SBL, so it was quite difficult for me to manage time for SBL. And just because of Sir, his lectures, and the last day, until the last day, he was taking the webinars. Just because of that, I cleared it in the first attempt. Now, Sir Sajjad Ali for FA1 and FA2. Sir Farhan Saeed, thank you for MA1, MA2, and F2. That is management accounting. I was quite weak in management accounting at start, but because of you, I just managed it quite well. Sir Uzair Fatmi for F4, that is law. Sir Hamad Sir was for financial reporting. He's the best teacher of financial reporting. Secondly, I would tell you the secret of taxation. The best teachers for taxation, Sir Kumbar Raza and Sir Zia Rana. Because of them, I was able to score very good in advanced taxation due to their comprehensive notes and lectures. Thank you so much. Again, my sincere gratitude to Sir Hussain Qazi for financial management and strategic business reporting, that is SBR, which is one of the most difficult professional exam of ACCA. Because of his question practice course, it has been a lot easier. So thank you so much. Last but not the least, my favorite teacher, Sir Haris Hanif. He's a gem of a person, and you won't believe, just by watching his lectures, nothing else I did, and I was able to clear performance management, audit and assurance, and advanced audit and assurance, all of three in my first attempt with very good marks. Thank you so much, sir. A final thank you to all the teachers on behalf of all the students. Thank you so much. We appreciate your efforts and dedication towards your profession. Lastly, thank you to my family, my parents, and most my husband. Thank you so much for making this journey a lot easier throughout. To all the students, if you are here, cheer up, and cheers to all of you. If you are here, you can do it. To all the ones who are planning for ACCA, go ahead so that you can think ahead. Till then, thank you. Bye bye. Take care and Allah Hafiz.